With this article, I intend to show you a simple way to realistically find your path to money online. You may ask yourself, why does he say ways to money instead of ways to make money online? What may look to you as an incorrect use of the English language is actually a deliberate intent to use those words in that exact order, because when I refer to the ways to money, I am not alluding to money as something that you might earn or get, but as a place you can arrive to. Money is one of those things that is continuously flowing around the world, so your task is to find the right place and the right way to place yourself in a position to get your hands into that flow. Picture money as a river. If you wanted to stick your hands in it, what would you do? You would probably get to the shore and near enough the water, crouch and then soak your hands in money. It is a simple enough plan and one that would undoubtedly work. Of course, money is not actually a river, but my point is that in order to get to Moneyland you need a plan, you need to know what you're going to do and why, with the assurance that each step you take is getting you nearer and nearer your destination. A friend of mine once told me, "Do not give me anything, just put me where the money is," and that phrase stayed on my mind since then. Why? Well, because that is the best thing someone can do for you, as you will definitely get farther by being where the money is rather than simply hoping for a piece of good fortune spilling from the hands of a generous soul. Therefore, you have to change your mindset and start thinking of money as a destination, instead of randomly pursuing get-rich-quick formulas. Your goal has to be getting to where the money is. Once you reach this ultimate destination, all that is left for you is to soak your hands in the water for as long as you feel like it. My idea by writing this article then is to provide you with the most deadly weapon to make a killing in business, reliable information with the ability to help you plan your trip through the different roads to Moneyland. I do not want to give you anything, because that will not help you. I just want to put you where the money is, the rest is up to you. Click the link in the description for more information.